How to pledge stocks and securities for collateral margins? The process can be completed in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in your back office. Step 2. Initiate margin pledge request. Step 3. Confirm request from Depository portal. Go to our website sasonline.in and log in your back office. Click on Margin Pledge Request, select the security or stock you want to pledge, and click on Send Pledge Request. A transaction ID will be generated. Now this is the last step. You will receive a pledge notification at your registered email ID and on your registered mobile number from your depository. Click on the link given in the email or in SMS. Log in Margin Pledge Request portal with the help of your PAN. And confirm the pledge request by providing OTP received on your registered email ID and mobile number. That's it. To activate Stock Plus service, write a mail at support@sasonline.in. Thanks for watching this video.